The height-weight chart can be used in various healthcare settings, including hospitals, clinics, and doctors' offices. Healthcare professionals can use the chart to assess their patients' health status and determine if they are at risk of developing health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Healthcare professionals like general practitioners and family doctors, pediatricians, dietitians, and nutritionists and more can use this height-weight chart. To use our free height-weight chart, follow these steps. Download our visual height-weight chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, introduce the height-weight chart. Begin by introducing the height-weight chart to your patient and explain the importance of maintaining a healthy weight range based on their height and gender. Next, collect patient information. Gather the patient's name, age, gender, height, and weight. This information is essential to determine their BMI and the appropriate weight range for their height and gender. Next, locate height and weight on the chart. Locate the patient's height on the leftmost column of the chart, then move across to the corresponding weight range for their gender. The chart is meant to serve as a guide for ideal weight ranges based on height and gender. Lastly, interpret results. Once the patient's weight range is identified on the chart, compare it to their current weight to determine if they fall within the recommended range. If they fall outside the recommended scope, consult with the patient to create a plan for weight management and healthy living. Here is a sample of our height-weight chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our height-weight chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.